Do you need to sell a difficult property in Lima, Ohio? Central Ohio Real Estate Investment LLC may be able to help you find property solutions without costly repairs. Does your property have issues like fire or water damage, major repairs, problem tenants, code violations, or deferred maintenance? These are all common challenges. Many homeowners feel stuck, thinking they must spend thousands on repairs, clean everything out, hire contractors, or wait months to sell. This is not always the case. You may have options. Many distressed properties can be evaluated in their current condition, so major repairs may not be necessary before exploring solutions. We help various property owners, including those with inherited or probate properties, landlords, vacant property owners, and homeowners facing foreclosure. Why work with us? We offer local Ohio experience, act as property problem solvers, provide flexible closing options, and give guidance throughout the entire process. If you need help with a distressed property, visit the link on the screen and request your property review today. We are here to assist you.